Namaste, I'm Kirti, and in today's video I'll be giving you some book recommendations for beginners, and I will even be telling you my story of how I became a voracious reader, and I have been one since 2 years. So let's get started. The very first book recommendation I'll be giving you is The Alchemist. I'm pretty sure most of you must have heard about it or even read it, but for beginners this book is the best. You must have seen that Bollywood movie Om Shanti Om. In that there is a dialogue. किसी चीज़ को पाने की कोशिश करो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उस चीज़ से मिलाने की ज़रूरत में लग जाती है. It is the phenomenon of law of attraction, and that is the theme of this book. The story of a boy Santiago revolves around the law of attraction theme. So if you want to read a fiction story around that theme, then this is the book for you. Second book I would be recommending is The Secret. This is a spiritual read, again on the same theme of law of attraction. It even tells you the history of law of attraction and all the know-hows for the spiritual geeks out there. And it is one book which again gives us scientific reasoning behind how your mind works the way it does, and it also has some concepts of law of attraction. It will give you a very detailed, precise information about why we attract things in a specific manner. The other book recommendation I would be giving you is books by Ravinder Singh. These books are in the market from around 10 years now, but I read his work very recently. Still, I loved it. So if you are a beginner, then you must read Ravinder Singh's book. Next, I would be recommending you other books by Sudha Murthy ji. Sudha Murthy is a very popular Indian author, and personally I don't like her writing style or anything, but you must try her books. Her books are for children as well as elders. Yeah. New is The Perks of Being a Wallflower. The Perks of Being a Wallflower is an epistolary tale. The story is written in the form of letters. It's a very simple yet thought-provoking story, so you must try it as a beginner. Next is The Little Prince. The Little Prince is a very classic book. It is in a illustrated format, written in an illustrated format. It is a novella, and it can be read by children as well as adults, so you must try it as a beginner. Next, I'll be recommending you Aarti's children's collections, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I personally love Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. They are all illustrated books. You can even try books by Roald Dahl or Michel Murphy. Michel Murphy is not a very popular known writer in the Indian readers, but his works are equally awesome, and they are also illustrated. And the final one I'll be telling you is this Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the Cabin Fever series. This book I found almost 2 years ago, just after my 12th had ended, and I was like, okay, I won't be reading any books. But then I found this and I realized, oh my god, I used to be a bibliophile back then, and I finished it. It took me like 1 month to finish this, but now I can read it just in a one go. So this was my story of how I became a voracious reader, and those were the recommendations I gave in this video. Do tell me which one do you like. To give this video a big thumbs up, and do comment, subscribe, share, and you know the drill. Thank you, bye.